My name's Alexis. So I'm a hairstylist in Irvington, New Jersey, and finding wholesale hair at great quality is the hardest thing I've come by. I've tried about 5 different vendors, they all suck. Someone on Instagram told me about TedHair, so one day I made an appointment. I spoke with Kathy and Kevin and I came in. The quality, the hair doesn't shed. This hair, for instance, is body wave. I pressed it bone straight. I've had it in for 4 weeks. I don't do anything, barely maintain it, and it's awesome. My customers love it so much. So being that the wholesale prices aren't expensive at all, I still can sell it at a price that isn't expensive. So the quality they get, the price they get, and honestly, I just walk in. I know I get on Kevin's nerves all the time, but I come in, I can get my hair, it's affordable. Guys, I love it. So come to TedHair, you will love it here, you will not break your pockets, and it's the best quality I've had in the longest time.